Hi friends, welcome to Garden a Beautiful Life. So we are back with one more video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how can you use neem khali or neem fertilizer for your plants. Yes. So neem khali has a lot of benefits which I'll tell you in this video, and how to use it also I'll tell you in this video. So this neem khali I have bought from Big Basket and it is Nature's Plus Neem Mix, but you can buy it from any local nursery or local gardening store also. I have used this Nature's Plus Neem Mix. You can buy this or you can buy any other neem khali, or you can buy without brand that local neem khali also. I will put this link in the description box from where I have bought. So yeah, coming to neem khali or neem fertilizer, it has lot of benefits and it actually enriches your soil with phosphorus, manganese, calcium and other micronutrients too. It is very easy to use neem khali. I will be telling you two ways you can use it in your plants. So the first method is by mixing it in your potting mix, or by mixing it in soil and then adding it to the plant. So one thing is there that you cannot use neem khali directly, otherwise it will catch fungus. So here I have taken around 50% of soil, 200 grams of neem khali and little bit of coco peat. So I am just going to mix them up, and you can also add little bit of vermicompost and compost, and we will just prepare the potting mix. So you can also add in the potting mix of a new plant, and if you want to add it in an already planted one, then you can just dig the upper layer of soil and just spread this mixture in the upper layer of the plant. But make sure whenever you are using it in an already planted one, then use more of neem khali and little bit of soil. So that composition also I'll tell you, but this I am using for a completely new plant. And then now I am going to put this in the pot. Make sure your pot has holes and your drainage holes are covered, and I am just going to transfer it into the pot and I am going to plant. So this is my plant, and this is my chili plant, and I have already put the mixture there. And neem khali is really beneficial for especially vegetable plants, because it has a lot of micronutrients and nutrients needed by them. So my plant is ready now, and if you want to put neem khali in an already potted one, just dig the upper layer of the soil and just put soil plus neem khali mixture there. Now let's talk about the second way you can use neem fertilizer or neem khali, that is by soaking it in water. Yes, so I have taken around 200 grams of neem khali and I have soaked it in half liter of water, and I will keep it for 4 to 5 days. And after that it is ready to use. So what I feel is this is the better way of using neem khali or neem fertilizer, and I prefer this way of using neem khali and neem fertilizer, because using this way the chances of catching fungus for neem khali is less. So after keeping it for 4 days, I am going to pour this into the plants, and also remember to dilute it with more half liter of water. So you will be pouring half liter of more water into the solution, and then it is ready to use. So after 4 to 5 days, when you soak the neem khali or neem fertilizer into the water somehow looks like this. It is brown and the consistency is little thicker, and this is actually very beneficial for your plants. You can use it for any kind of plants, for vegetable plants or for fruit plants. Yes, so this was my video regarding neem khali or neem fertilizer. Do use these in your plants and avoid it using in monsoons. Try it in winters.